at the airport. Hello. Yay. We're headed to
New York.
New York. Final destination is Barcelona, but first we're going to spend a full day in New York.
Yay.
Are you excited?
Yes. I've always wanted to go to New York. I never known when I wanted to do that, but I've always wanted to go to New York.
Flight 1516 with service to JFK. Roughly 5 hours and 30 minutes for your flying time.
Alright, so we just got to New York and we're trying to figure out where to put our bags.
Oh.
We have to store our bags somewhere in Terminal 4. So, the plane ride was really, really good. I slept most of the time. Ariel slept most of the time. So we should have tons of energy for today. Hopefully. So we landed in Terminal 5, but in order to drop off our bags, we have to go to Terminal 4. So we are currently walking to Terminal 4. We found the baggage storage. Dropped off our bags.
Yay.
And we found the train.
Yay.
Hey, we made it somewhere, but we're lost again. We found track number 2, Penn Station. Is this for this or is this for the subway?
That's for the subway.
Oh.
Where are you trying to get to?
We're trying to get to the American History Museum.
So you want to go to Penn Station?
We want to go to Penn Station. So
Sit down for a second.
Okay.
You got 3 minutes actually.
Okay.
Alright, so what you got is 2 options. One is you can download an app on your phone.
Okay.
And you can buy a ticket on the app, or you go right up to the bridge right here.
Uh-huh.
And there's a ticket machine right there where you can buy your ticket.
The Penn Station?
Yes.
It's off peak right now.
It's off peak.
And the baby need a ticket too. I like
Okay.
the glasses.
How much is it per person?
$7.75 for you, and then $1 for the baby.
Okay. Alright, so we took the air train. We took the big train to Penn Station. And now we need to find another train.
Yeah. A lot of work.
Yeah, I don't think we're doing so well. Headed to breakfast. Alright, so we left Penn Station. We took the C subway uptown to 86th Street so that we can get to breakfast. We're gonna go to Good Enough to Eat, and then we're gonna go to the American History Museum. I think we have a little ways to walk. We're exiting. All right, I think you just go. All right, we did it. Okay. All right, change of plans. We're just gonna get some food at the Natural History Museum because it's freezing cold and it's already 11:30, so we've wasted a lot of time getting here. We've practically missed breakfast anyway. So it looks like we came during field trip day.
Yeah.
There's like a billion kids.
That's what I was going to say. You stole the words right out of my mouth before they came out of my mouth.
Like a billion kids. Busloads of kids. Made it. It took us like 3 hours to figure out how to get here, but we made it and it's warm.
We got our tickets and we're headed in.
It's nice and warm in here. And it's huge. It's like 4 floors, 5 floors.
The lady said it would take 2 days to go through the whole thing.
Yeah, we have 4 hours, so we'll see how much we get through. We're still walking around the Natural History Museum. It's nearly 2. We're getting hungry. Kind of hangry. This is really cool. So the cool thing was for the general admission, I don't know if it was because it's a Thursday, a weekday, it was pay what you will. So we paid $20 for the both of us. So I think that was kind of cool. But you could pay whatever. You could pay $1, you could pay a penny, whatever you have. So I think that was nice.
It's like old grass, but it feels kind of real.
What's your weight on the moon?
11 pounds. 11.0. It keeps changing.
Right, we got a small souvenir, and now we are done at the Natural History Museum. It was really nice. It was fun. It is now 2 o'clock, and we are going to try and go to a fun place. I'm not going to tell Ariel what it is, but it involves food of some sort. All right, let's go. All right, we're leaving the Natural History Museum. Did you have fun?
Yes.
It was a nice place to stay warm. Now we're really headed to go get a treat. Ariel's really going to be surprised. We were trying to navigate the subway system and we completely failed. So much so that I just left the whole subway system and decided to walk. So we're now walking for about 30 minutes because at least with walking I can follow a map and I understand. The subway system here is complicated and I didn't really understand and we kept getting really, really lost. So here we go. It is 3 o'clock now. Oh, the cabs with presents on them. Is this place cool?
Yeah.
Yes, just us. This is cool.
Straight back here.
Look how cool this place is. Wow.
Enjoy.
Thank you. So we walked for 30 minutes and we finally made it to Serendipity and we're so excited. We ordered the classic frozen hot chocolate, of course.
I expected it to be warm. Very confusing.
Okay, the frozen hot chocolate was so good.
And so cold.
And so cold. And now we're going to the candy store.
Yay! I like candy.
Found the M&M store in Times Square after a lot of walking around. I don't think it's as big as the one in Las Vegas, but it's still cool. So Ariel got pizza before we head back to the airport.
Yeah.
Is it good? Look at all that cheese. Me and Ariel just went and got pizza at this little itty bitty hole in the wall place on 40th and 7th, and it was so good. Ariel said it's her #1 pizza.
It is.
She could have just been hungry, but I tasted it and it was really good, and it was only $1. Best pizza ever.
Not even $1. 99 cents.
All right, so we are headed back to Penn Station so we can get to the airport.
Finally made it. We're so lucky.
We made it back to Penn Station. And we found the train.
In like the nick of time too. It was like a bell to leave.
And now we're headed to the airport.
Yay!
All right, so we are off of the train. We're at the Jamaica station. Now we just have to catch the AirTrain shuttle to the airport. This has been a crazy day. All we've really done is walk around and catch trains. So it is. We are picking up our bags. Yay! We got our bags and now we are headed to the airline. It is 15 after 8. We paid about $32 for the 3 bags. 2 of the luggage carry-ons in one backpack. So it was a good deal. Current situation. Look at all these people in line. Oh my god. It's cold! Can you see my breath? It's cold.
You can see it here.
It says it's 39 degrees. Does it feel to be in New York, Ariel?
Awesome.
Is it cold?
Yes.